Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Instagram is not linking with your TikTok account. So to fix this, just go to the TikTok app in your mobile phone and click on these three lines on the upper right corner, and from here just click on settings and privacy. And once you go into settings and privacy, just scroll down and you will see this option, report a problem. You can see this in support and about section. Just click on report a problem and let it load, and after that simply scroll down and you will see this option like chat with us or like contact support, customer support section. So just click on this option, chat with us, and once you click here it will take you to this chat option, and from here you can just like click on account, and once you click on account they will give you something like that. So just click on I want to attach my Instagram with TikTok, and you can copy this text for next time if they ask it. So just copy it and send this message and let it wait. So as you can see, adding or removing social media on platform is currently undergoing small scale testing. We appreciate your understanding and we work to make it available soon. So you can see as they have answered our question. So after that you can just click on any other option like I want to, like my account is banned or something like that, and just click on submit a ticket. And once you click on submit a ticket, you can just simply write the text here, and I want to attach my TikTok account and I am having issues. Like you can write small details, and you can also attach the like screenshot and video if you have any. Once you attach this, just click on submit, and once you submit, the your ticket will be created, and it will take like 24 or 48 hours to reach the customer support, and they will contact you back soon. So this is a simple and easy process of how you can fix your Instagram linking error with your TikTok profile.